Let me jump into the software now and give you a live Prezentar demo. I'm logged into my Prezentar account and I've actually got all of the upgrades. So I've got so many different types of templates within my account. Now on the left, we've got all these different types of categories, from arts and entertainment, betting and trading systems, business, investing, finance, digital e-marketing, computers, education, jobs, fiction, games, home, food and health, languages, parents and families, sports, travel, and so much more. If I scroll down, you can see all the beautiful looking templates. Okay, this just does not end. This is so many. You definitely do want to grab all of the upgrades. You just get endless supply of beautifully crafted templates. Now, I am conscious of time, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on, I'll just use this one. Will load. It's super fast. Everything is drag and drop, and these are beautifully designed. So look, you can drag and drop all of the different types of images. You can edit and customize all this text. So you can put in your name there, obviously. Drag and drop again. Or full customization. You've never seen anything like this before. I was amazed when I saw this. You can change all the different types of texts, images, crop images, backgrounds, borders, shapes, widths. You can add links. You've got a color slice. So they give you different type of structure on the left hand side of all the different types of templates you can use. So you can customize the color if you wanted to use that one as a color. You've got background image slides. You can embed a video. That's right, you can embed a video from either YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, and lots of other different places into the slides. And look at this. This is what I'm really excited about. Are there customizable themed designs? So you can change any of this. Okay, customize them how you want. Obviously, you can drag and drop them and change the fonts and the size. Now, I'm short on time here, but you got bold, italics, colors, editing, all the different types of normal editing options that you would expect to find are there. Again, everything is drag and drop. It's just so easy. It's so intuitive. Beautiful designs. You can add images to this. You can upload your own background. There's so many backgrounds in here anyway. Okay, show you some of these other ones here. You can customize the transitions as well. Okay, change the fonts, the styling, the colors, the themes. Just really well done. Okay, you could add your links at the end as well. Now, once you're happy with your slides and you've changed everything, let me just put in. Okay, I just wanted to show you that. Look, you can change the text, images as well. If I go to backgrounds, if I click on this little plus here, what that allows you to do is to add text. You can add images. I'll show you stock images. Okay, background images. There's just so many. Right? Look, you can just one click and import any new type of background inside the software that you wish. Look at all these categories. Okay, this one's a really nice background, so then you can add your text again. Okay, headline. You can change the color and the font colors of this. You can make it black, make it blue. You can change your headings. You can add more text as you want. Again, customize it as you would expect. And then you can also add media, which is great. You can add background music. You can record audio over the slides. Now, this is what really excites me. You can upload audio. You can add video. You can record your audio directly through the browser. So let's say I was done with my presentation and now I wanted to start from the very beginning and record my voice over the slides. In fact, you can do it this way. I'm going to record my audio over all the slides as if I'm ready for my presentation. And I can just go ahead and click on record and then start. Hello and welcome to this presentation. In this program, I'm going to teach you how to make money online, start a business and get customers. In fact, get an endless supply of customers until you can't take no more. Right, let me click on stop there. Right, there you go. See that? It's got an incredible inbuilt audio editor. And we're not done. There's just so many more features. I actually don't have time to go through every single one. And then you just go ahead and once you're happy with that, let's click on add. And then once you're happy, you can output this. You can save it. You can click on download and you have multiple different options here. You can convert it to video and it'll turn your whole entire presentation into a video. You can also output as a PDF as well as HTML. Okay, you can share it online with as many people as you wish through the social widget, Plus, if you want to offer services to make a little bit of side money by creating presentations for clients, you can also do that through the system, and your clients can leave feedback through Prezentar too, and they won't even know you're using Prezentar, right? So let's get back to the slides. Okay, how amazing was Prezentar? I knew you'd love it. Okay, I love it just as much as you will too. Now, not only can you create presentations for yourself in your own business and for other clients, you can make $1,000 a month doing that. Selling presentation creation services to clients. There are thousands of people out there on the internet right now looking to pay someone like you to design and create their presentations for them because they just don't have time. And you can just go online right now, go to one of the freelance sites and have a look, right? You can easily make $75, $350, and even $1,000 per presentation. Okay, and I'm being very modest here. You can work part-time in your spare hours. This could be a little side hustle that you have, and ultimately you can use Prezentar as your secret weapon. Now, there's a few bonuses that come with Prezentar, which is the free commercial license and the agency website, which has an inbuilt ready-made portfolio worth $997, and that really is worth that. Okay, those two things are worth their weight in gold, because the ready-made website that you also get as a bonus has an inbuilt portfolio, so you can show potential clients that, look, here's my work, here's the type of things that I can do, and you're more likely to get a client that way when you have that professional website and professional look. It's going to save you a ton of time rather than you trying to build one yourself and starting from scratch. Seriously, it's easily $1,000 there. And the free commercial license allows you to go out and use Prezentar legally to service clients and keep all the money that you make doing it, because you don't have to pay any royalties to anyone with that license. Now, I just jumped online, took a few screenshots of this on some of the freelance websites. I just found 3,009 jobs when I took this screenshot. Okay, 3,009 people, jobs, gigs, whatever you want to call them, by individuals or companies or small business owners who want people like you to create presentations and slides for them because they just don't have time, right? Here, look at the various prices, the budgets. $100 there. We've got $250. That person says, I want a PowerPoint presentation. They're done. Obviously, you're going to use Prezentar. There's $350 there. Designing 40 odd slides for a presentation. That person's willing to pay $350 there. And look at the one on the bottom right, $1,000. They want a presentation done using some of their images and their icons and things, but then once they give that to you in like a Word file, you turn it into a presentation. And plus, you could charge them extra for turning it into video too, right? Now, Prezentar also has some additional upgrades which are totally optional. It's up to you, but I'm going to run you through those as well so that you can make a better informed decision. But I do highly recommend them because there's no recurring fees with Prezentar, and once you've souped up the software, made it really powerful, it's just a one-time cost, and you've got it for life. Unlike all those other softwares that charge you recurring monthly fees. So one of the first upgrades is Prezentar Professional, which gives you more templates, more features, more power. Definitely recommended. We have Prezentar X Factor, which will give you exclusive niche designs every single month. So these are new templates added to your library every single month, and there's no recurring cost for this one. So I love that one because it's going to allow you to have a massive library over the next year without any recurring charges. They automatically added to your account as they design them every single month. Then we have Prezentar Halo, which is actually 4 pieces of software in one, and it bolts on to the Prezentar software. It includes amazing slide transitions to really snazz and jazz up your whole presentation. I love really good transitions. Rotating carousels is a great way for you to display your presentations and your slides in a unique way. Okay, I haven't seen that one ever before. When I did start looking at it, I was like, wow, I've never seen this before. Definitely recommend that one. It's really, really quirky. Flipbooks, interactive flipbooks. You can turn your presentation into interactive flipbooks and share those online. It allows your audience to engage with them in a unique way. And then we also have a mock-up skin. So what that is, basically you can present your presentation inside various types of mock-up skins, such as inside a computer monitor or an iPad graphic or a mobile phone or a tablet or a Mac, right? So there's really good skins in there, definitely recommended. Auto Job Finder. Now, this is a great one, okay? That's going to help you make a lot of money on the side, because it's going to automatically find you gigs online that pay you to create slides for clients, presentations for clients, okay? So what this does is actually integrated with lots of different sites and platforms online, and it consolidates and finds all these gigs and displays them all to you in one central mainframe dashboard, right? So rather than you scrambling online and wasting your time looking for gigs, it just brings everything to you in just a few clicks. Really, really powerful. I highly recommend that you grab as many, if not all, of these upgrades for just a one-time low price. Right, what you need to do right now is to go ahead and grab Prezentar at the special discounted price. There's a launch going on right now. It's at the lowest it's ever going to be. So don't hang around. Go ahead, click on the link. The link should be either underneath the video or on a page. Click on the link right now through me and grab Prezentar at the special discounted price. You're going to love it. I love it. Just wait until you go in the members area so you can start creating and presenting and making profit using Prezentar.